Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, you are going to learn how to share your college brochure on WhatsApp with students when they fill your website form, right? So let's see what is happening here. So you have received a new form submission in a form that is being created with the help of Elementor Forms. And this form is filled by a student who is searching for a good college in his city. Right? Now, according to the details of the students you have received in this form, you are going to send the college brochures here on the WhatsApp account of that student. Right? Now, let's talk about the Elementor form that we have used. Elementor is a form building application, and in place of Elementor, you can also use any other form building application such as Jotform, Typeform, or Pabbly Form Builder. And WhatsApp, as you guys already know, is a widely used instant messaging application. Now let's suppose that you are running a network or a consultancy firm who provide consultancy for college students to take admissions and provide the information about the colleges that you have in your city, right? Now you have created an inquiry form with the help of Elementor Forms here, in which you want to receive the inquiries of the students about the colleges that you have, right? Now, according to the information or details of the students that you have received in this form, you want to send them the college brochures on the WhatsApp accounts, right? Now, to get this done, you have two ways. One is that whenever you receive the form submission here, you manually sort out the data of the student from Elementor Form and then manually compile a message for each and every student who have inquired and send them on WhatsApp. So guys, if you are receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis, this process can be very tiresome and repetitive for you. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a form submission here, a WhatsApp message with the college brochure get automatically delivered on the WhatsApp account of the student who have filled this inquiry form. Yes guys, this can happen and this can be done by connecting Elementor Forms with WhatsApp. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Elementor and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So this is a page I have created on WordPress, and this is the page of PCA Education Network. So this is a firm who manages colleges in our city and provide consultancy for admissions in colleges. So here is the form that I have attached in this page, and this form is created with the help of Elementor Forms, and this is a WhatsApp account here. So as and when someone fills this inquiry form on this page, we are going to send brochure of colleges on the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled this form. Alright, so what I'm going to show you is that I'll fill this form here in this page, and we will check if we receive the brochure on the WhatsApp account or not. So let me fill the form. So I have filled the form like this. So this is the inquiry form we have, and I filled the name as 𝗪𝗪, and this is the email and all the details I have. Now I'm going to click here on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So you can see the form was sent successfully, and we have received a new message also. So let's check in this WhatsApp account. So the message is saying, hello 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, thank you for showing your interest in PC Education Network. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our colleges. So this is the link of the brochure that we want to send, and this is the message that is delivered to this person Harsha who have filled this inquiry form, right? Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here on the WhatsApp account without any manual compilation of this message, just by filling the inquiry form here that is generated by Elementor Forms. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or integration between your Elementor Forms and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the three easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor Form with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Elementor Form with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from Elementor Form in Pabbly Connect. So after connecting the Elementor Form, we are going to bring the data from our form submissions to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the same data as a new message on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send a message with the college brochure to the person who have filled this Elementor form on the WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application, which is 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, you have to open your browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect accounts in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done. So I am going to click on sign in directly. So after signing in, this all app section of Pabbly will open up. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard, and to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So I'm giving So I have entered the name as college brochures from Elementor Forms to WhatsApp. Now click on create here. So as and when your workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission in Elementor Forms, and the action would be sending college brochures on the WhatsApp account to the person who have filled this Elementor form. Now, first of all, click on this trigger, and from this choose app, choose your application as Elementor. So this is Elementor we have. And in the trigger event, select this new form submission. Now it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So first of all, you have to copy this URL from here. Go to your page. This is the page we have, and this is the form we have. Now here you have to click on this edit with Elementor. Click on it. So after this, the editor will open up, and from here you have to come to your form. So this is our form. Click on it, and in this edit form panel, in this content, you will see when you scroll down this option, which is actions after submit. So click on this actions after submit, and from here you have to search for webhook. So click on it and type webhook. So select this webhook from here in this add action, and then click on webhooks option below it, and here you will find a field named as webhook URL. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste it here, and then click on update. Alright, so the page is updated. Now click here on this icon and click on exit to dashboard. Alright, so this page will open up, and we updated the page and added the webhook. Now in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is showing waiting for webhook's response. Alright, this means it is time to bring the data from our Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. So to do that, we are going to fill the form again. So I'm going to my dashboard of WordPress here, and I'm opening the form by clicking here on view page. So this is our page, and here we have this form. So let me fill this form again. So I have filled the form like this. The name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝙀 and the email ID and the contact details and the message. Now I am clicking on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured the data. So you can see the data is captured here with the same things, the information that we have filled in the form. Right? Now it is time for our next step. So the next and final step is send the same data as a new message on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So now we are going to send the data that is the link of the brochure to WhatsApp. Alright, and to do that we are going to use an application which is called 360 dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window and from this choose app, choose the application as 360, this WhatsApp by 360 dialog application. Now you guys are wondering why we are using this 360 dialog application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have to have the access of WhatsApp chat API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp very easily and directly. Now in this action event, you have to select this send template message option and then click on connect here. And from this window, if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time, you have to select this add new connection. And if you have connected with 360 dialog before in a different workflow, so you can use choose existing connection. So for now, making add new connection, I'm using this, and here you will see we have these two things which is required, the API key and the domain name. So from where you will find these two things? So you have to go to a 360 dialog account and move to WhatsApp account page and click on generate API key. So let me bring you to my 360 dialog account. So this is my 360 dialog account here. So you can also create your own 360 dialog account, and to do that, I'm suggesting you to use the link that we have pasted in the description. And by using that link, you can avail the 360 dialogs services in very affordable prices. Right? Now here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp accounts page. So this is my WhatsApp account pages, and you can see here this generate API key button. So by clicking on this generate API key, you can generate your own key, then copy that key, and so after copying the key, paste the key in this API key field here. After this, it is asking for this domain. So here you have to put a domain name which will look like this. Alright, so generally the domain name is this only. So you can paste this same link here, or you will get your own domain name while generating the API key. So when you generate the API key, you will get the domain name. So paste the domain name here. After pasting these two things, you just have to click on save, and you are going to get connected with 360 dialog. In my case, I have already made a connection before in a different workflow with my 360 dialog account. So I'm choosing here this existing connection and I'm clicking on save here. So you can see it is started showing connected. That means we are connected with the 360 dialog. After this, it is asking for the template. So first of all, let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going to my 360 dialog account again, and here I am clicking on manage templates button. So these are the templates we have in 360 dialog. So what are these templates? Let me open one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages we want to send on WhatsApp. Alright, so this is one typical template we have. So to avoid spamming, first you have to create templates here in 360 dialog. So to create a template, you have to click on this add template button like this, and in the name you can put the name of the template. From the categories, you can select the type of message you want to send, like this ticket update or alert update or whatever you want. From this language option, you can select the language in which you want to send the message. From this template type, you can select the type as media and interactive or standard text only. And in the body, you have to write the main message that you want to send. After this, click on submit here, and after submitting your template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and get your template approved. So generally the standard time is 30 minutes to 48 hours to get your templates approved. But generally it takes only few hours to get your template approved. So after getting your templates approved, you can use them to send messages. So it is asking for which template we want to use here. So here in this list you will find the templates, and we are going to use send brochure final, this template. So I'm mapping this template from here only. So after selecting the template, this namespace field get automatically filled up, and the language code also. So EN is the code of English. So we have templates in English language, that is so it is showing only one option, right? So after this it will ask for the recipient mobile number. So here you have to map the mobile number of the person who have filled the inquiry form. So you will find the details of the person who have filled the inquiry form. From here you can see in the first tab we have captured the data. So to map the number, you just have to click here and click on Elementor Form submission option, and you will find the same data here also. So from here just map the number like this. So I have to put the number in this format. So let us put a plus sign here also, like this. Then after this it will ask for these body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these body fields? So let me show you in my 360 Dialog account. So the template we are using is this template. Let me show you, send brochure final. And in this template you can notice we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are actually the body fields of our messages, and the body fields are the variable things of the message. So you can see after hello we are going to put the name of the person who have filled the form. So the name gets changed automatically whenever we send a new message, and it is saying thank you for showing interest in the in our thing, which is the PAC network, education network, right? And here so these are the different things which are going to change with every new messages. So the link can change, the website's name can change. So to get these body fields filled automatically when you send messages on WhatsApp, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect, right? So first field is the name field. So here you have to map the name of the person. So you will find the name of the person from this Elementor option. This is it, map it. In second body field we are going to put okay, thank you for showing interest in which thing, our company, right? Here we are going to map the PCA education network. So we are going to manually fill this thing, because this is not something which we have received from the form. So we are manually entering this detail. And in the third field, the services which we offer in our colleges. All right, so here we are going to put colleges, right? After this, here you have to fill the link of the PDF file or the brochure that we are going to send to the person who have filled the inquiry form. So I have the brochure in my Google Drive. So let me show you. This is my Google Drive, and here I have the brochure, college brochure. So I'm going to click on share here, and I'll get this shareable link. So I'm going to copy the link and enter the link here in this body field, right? So this is the link of the brochure. After this it is asking for body field 5. So which is body field 5? You can visit. Okay, so here you can put the website link. So I am just copying this only. So you can, if you have the website, you can enter the website's link, right? And in the body field 6, we are going to put the name. After regards, we are going to put the name of the company, which is PAC education, PCA education. All right. right? So after filling all these things, I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and you will see that this data according to our template will be delivered here on the WhatsApp account. So let me click here on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing this response, and we have received a new message also. So let's check the message, and it is showing hello Yamin is saying thank you for showing interest in PC and network education and education network. And this is the same message that we have in the template, you can see. And in the places of body fields, we have the things that we have mapped or fill the values here in Pabbly Connect. So it have the link, drive link of the brochure also, and all other details, right? So our connection is working fine. Now just click on save here. Alright, so now let me tell you, let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected the application as Elementor. Then with the help of this URL, we connected the Elementor form, and after filling the form, we captured this kind of response. After this, we connected 360 dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp, and selected the template and mapped the body fields and all other details we have in our template, right? And after clicking on save and send, we have seen that the message is showing in this WhatsApp account, right? Now, let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can use this workflow or make this workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow that we have created in the description box, so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start. So guys, this is it for today. And as you see, we have connected a few applications in this video by using this Pabbly Connect software. You can also connect many different applications by using this Pabbly Connect software. And if you want any other type of integrations from our side, you can contact us from this email ID, and you can ask your queries from this link in this forum, and you can check the pricing of this software by this link. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep automating your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Thank you so much.